Hi, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to look at or do some religious signs in the letter T. And the first one is talent, and it's the side of your hand in out. Talent. Temple is the T between your fingers in on your arm like that, or your hand. Temple. 10 Commandments is 10, then the letter C, commandments. 10 commandments. In Testament is to see, proof. In testify, the letter T, in out, you testify. In theology, it's the letter P, up to your shoulder. And then study, like preacher, study. Then thorn is you're just taking your pointer finger and up to your head, like the thorns from the that they put on Jesus's head. It was a crown of thorns. Thank you. Gosh. And so it would be thorns and then crown, if you were talking about that. But then it would be, like if you were talking about thorns in your side, you would do like this, and then at your side. Thorns at your side, or wherever else. Then tithe is to give. And then translate is signing, so you're translating. In tribulations, just like you would think, it's just the letter H is hard time. There's no specific word for the word, or specific sign for the word tribulation. So you have to go, okay, what is the concept here? And the concept is hard times. So you would just do hard and time. And then Trinity, such as the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, it's 3, then around, and 1, because they're 3 in 1. And that's it as far as that. But I did want to let you know that I have started posting some information about the deaf and their culture. And these are facts, like FYI facts that I'm posting on the channel. And just for your information, just thought it'd be helpful. And I also am posting some little quiz thing just for fun. It's nothing you have to know the answer to. And if anyone answers, I'll let you know if you're right or wrong. And of course, I'd let you know what the right answer is. I wouldn't leave you hanging. But I just thought this would be something fun to just put out there as well. But that's all I have for today. Thank you.